Good morning, everyone. I just decided to sit outside for a little bit. Sorry for the shaky camera. I need something actually to hold the camera, but I thought I'd sit out here and just listen to the noises. Just listen to the birds. And also what I can hear is that this beech tree here is actually throwing a lot of its seed down. The seed that actually won't become full pods. It gets rid of the dead ones to start with. And all I can hear is it throwing them off the branches, clatter, clatter down onto the floor. I see a squirrel. Don't know if we can catch him. He's in there somewhere. There he is. I think he's gone into the plum tree. There's also a rabbit sack nearby. Oh, he's still there. I'll show you. I'm just a bit worried that he might have myxomatosis. Not sure. Really cruel way for rabbits to die. Man-made, I suppose, to keep the population down of rabbits. The human form. Morning grumpiness till he's woken up. The sun's coming out. It's amazing what you can see. Bugs, birds. Oh, there's a little one next to me. I don't swivel round because I might scare him off. But he's actually just behind me in there. I don't know if we can see him anywhere. I don't know, he's probably gone. The camera's gone blurred, sorry. This is just taking in morning sounds, a bit of morning meditation, a bit of deep breathing. Really does help with stress relief if you just sit in nature. Oh, there's Bunny. He's not good at all. He has got mixy. His eyes are bad. Bless him. That's not good. I think mixy is actually a virus that if they have fleas, the fleas can transmit it over to the other rabbits, which probably do have fleas. Anyway, it's amazing if you sit still for a while. Just let life go around you with bugs, the birds, the trees. You always seem to find a lot of activity. So if you have a chance to actually stay still for a moment in the day, just sit and observe and watch. Nature is a great healer, I believe. A beautiful day. I hope everyone else has a lovely day today. Positive. Okay, that was good.